everyone. I'm Lady Corpus and today I'm going to perform the occupied bed making. So, first, assess the general condition of the appliance. Then, wash, dry, and wear 3 pairs of gloves. Then, gather the all necessary materials and equipment to be used. We have here the bottom sheet, rubber sheet, cloth draw sheet, top sheet, pillowcase, and pillows. And also the laundry baskets. Then, before entering the room of the clients, knock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then, good morning, ma'am. Are you Miss Katatay? I'm Miss Propose here to deliver today. I'm going to change your room so I will do full cooperation. Is that okay, ma'am? Then, check the condition of the clients. If the vital sign is normal, proceed to the next procedures. Then, after that, if the clients have watchers, please ask the watchers to politely leave the room for a while. Then, provide privacy, lock the doors, curtains, then windows. Then, adjust the bed to the appropriate raising height. It must be the waist level or above the waist. Then, lock the wheels. Then, lower the head part. Then, after that, untuck the sheets from head to foot. And after that, ma'am, I'm going to tell you so I need your cooperation. In a count of 3, ma'am, I'm going to say down you 1, 2. Then, raise the side rails to prevent falling. Then, instruct the clients to hold the side rails. Ma'am, can you hold the side rails? Thank you for your cooperation. Then, put the top sheet at the center of the bed. Then, you can carefully unfold the sheets. Diba? Pillow of the clients. Then after that, remove the first layer of the gloves. Then get the new bottom sheet. And after that, with a miter, the rubber sheet. Next is the hot brush. Then ma'am, I'm going to put you in fine position in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then stop. Make sure that this is a wrinkle free. Then ma'am, I'm going to sideline you again. Count of 3 ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Then rise the side rails to prevent falling. Then instruct the clients to hold the rails. Ma'am, can you hold the rails to prevent you from falling? Thank you for your cooperation. Then get the lens and put it on the laundry basket. Then remove the second layer of plugs. Then pull the sheets one by one. Then make a mirror. Rubber sheet, rubber sheet. Next, the hot draw sheet. Then ma'am, I'm going to supine you position in a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then tuck the needles. Make sure it is wrinkle free. Then next is change the top sheet. With the top sheet. Each to each. And then put it on the laundry basket. And make a nice ring. Then we're going to change the pillowcase and pillow appliance. Get the pink pillowcase. Then close to prevent entering the microorganisms. Now I'm going to insert my hands to your shoulder, so I need your full cooperation. Now on the 3 ma'am, I will lift your head. 1, 2, 3. Then get the dirty gloves. And after that, leave the clients comfortable, check the vital signs if necessary, then open the doors, the curtains, and ask the watchers to come again in the room of the clients, then remove the cloths, wash and dry, then report and obtain the procedure done to the physicians. Procedure done.